in was ripping through membranes. To get light and wide was the mission. Manifest itself until after, as so many great things often do. And as I made plans, things became clearer.
Honorable Superintendent Murtyunjay Babu, a very efficient one. Assistant Superintendent, more than like you, Mr. Gana, of the new PG hostel. Say, 3 decades, it is reaching the 3rd decade. Boarders of other hostels, distinguished invitees, staff of the new PG hostel. In the day hour, you invite your parents away home. And in the evening, have the cultural function. So that you can really enjoy the annual day. It can be a day-long program, and the boarders will be definitely feel the pleasure of their parents. But I hope you think it, consider it, and have this day-long program from next year.
Collector and District Magistrate Cuttack, and Sri Gopal Krishna Mohanty, Chairman Bar Council Orissa. The introduction to the Collector and District Magistrate has put me in jeopardy. I and he studied here together in the same class, and even now I see the indelible imprints of our fond memories. Our Collector and District Magistrate is a versatile personality, a sportsman, a literateur, a great organizer, an able administrator, all rolled into one. During his school and college career, he was awarded with several prizes and trophies for his excellence in sports. He writes poems. His extensive practice in constitutional service, read, civil, and criminal matters have earned him a name. He was elected as a member of Orissa State Bar Council in the year 1985 and has been continuing here till date after being elected.
Esteemed Chief Guest of the evening, Sri Kishore Kumar Mohanty, Collector and District Magistrate of Cuttack, respected Superintendent, Assistant Superintendent, and the distinguished guests on the dais. Dear Revensavians, friends from the press and media, ladies and gentlemen, I feel it privileged to be a part and parcel of this congregation which have assembled here to celebrate the annual function of new PG hostel. We celebrate annual functions to ruminate over our past year, to have an introspection about our deeds and rejoice about the glorious deed committed by us throughout the year. Of course, a Revensavian has all the reasons to rejoice all the time, because the society looks at Revensavian with respect and reverence. He is expected to be a responsible citizen, but it is also expected to be a pathfinder for the entire society. I am aware that you must have been fed up since your childhood by hearing the oft-repeated sermons
of the dais. I seize this opportunity. The other day, I was a guest in the Women's Hall to speak to you from this podium. This is the field where I had enough time to run helter-skelter with my friends. This is the building we nourished hopes we might not have achieved what we desired, but at least we have come such a long way. Yet, woods are not the dark and deep what I promised to keep, and definitely miles to go before I sleep. That everybody's cherished desire, but we do not know how long we'll move. My dear young friends, you must have come across the most devastating news of today, that is a tsunami has attacked the Japan. The Japan has been devastated. They have declared this, the tsunami, that nuclear emergency. So, which is not only has the rare heritage value, but how to participate in the cultural extravaganza. I know you have been preparing yourself for the last 1 month, as been told by my good friend Mrityunjay. So definitely enjoy this evening, because this evening was very good. The ambience good, short breeze, cool breeze, and above and atop us, the whole clean sky. For you, the sky is the limit. The other Asians, the sky not only the limit, you only aim at the sky, that is stars, not at the moon, because if you was only so my dear young friends, for you.
Thank you, Kishore Babu, for presenting a very brief to the boarders and others. I will now request the General Secretary to present his report.
Honorable President Dr. B.K. Misra, esteemed Chief Guest Sri Kishore Kumar Mohanty, esteemed Guest of Honor Sri Gopal Kumar Mohanty, Revered Superintendent Dr. Muthu, of light on the talents, creativity and achievement of the warriors. Our hostel is a home away from home. I hereby take this great honor of presenting the annual report of the hostel for the session 2010-11, which develops new proficiencies on regular basis. Under the strict vigilance of our superintendent, various executive bodies were formed in order to maintain discipline.
And all of you know him, all of you love him, and your token of love is represented by this big felicitation to honor their ex-superintendent. Now I will request Dr. Padanjana to speak a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Esteemed, overwhelmed, being honored by my boarders